Hello ladies out there, welcome to my home Christmas decor. Yeah, so this is the Christmas tree I made. I have another video where I made this Christmas tree. So just in case if you're interested, you can always watch that video. All right, yeah, this is my home. Yeah, this is me making up that Christmas tree. So don't forget to watch my other video making this Christmas tree. Yeah, this is my home. This is my Christmas decor. Yeah, that's the garland out there. Yes, and that's my centerpiece that I made, and that's my other Christmas tree. And yeah, this is my other living room. The Christmas tree is the white Christmas tree. It's the simple one, and I have some puff, like a puff that I bought ornaments from Pier 1 Imports. So I just wanted to make it very simple down here and just place the puffs, the red ones, on the Christmas tree. Yeah, that's what it is, and that's my center table decor. I have my Tom Ford book on display, and I also have some vase. Those vase of the blue ones I also got from Pier 1 Imports, like a few years ago when they were trying to close down. I just went there, but I like to get quality things for good deals. That's just me. So I go when they have sales or when the shops are closing down. So I just get my stuff so I don't have to worry about it in the future. So now in my area, they no longer have that, Pier 1 Imports anymore. Yep, this is my main dining area again. So that's the centerpiece, the Christmas centerpiece that I made this year, 2021. And I hope to enjoy this. Yeah, and that's my hallway Christmas decor that I made again. That's all me. I have videos regarding this all these decors. Okay, if you're interested, please watch my other videos, and as I'll be displaying them below. Yeah, this is my Christmas hallway decor. Yeah, so yes, it's better for you to make things yourself, and this is my other family room with a fireplace. This is another centerpiece that I made by myself, and those books I got from Home Sense. I got those books from Home Sense. And I also made this Christmas lantern. See how I decorated it with the ribbons, the ornaments, and the picks, everything to go. And I also got this. This is my fireplace. Yeah, I also got this Christmas for my fireplace. Yes, that is it. It's looking nice, and yeah, that's my other Christmas lantern that I made, and I put them close to the fireplace. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my other video. Thanks, bye.